Google is giving free swags and cash prizes up to $10,000 and hardly very few people know about it. In this video, I'm going to share an amazing opportunity by Google that is GENAI Academy APAC Edition. We'll cover everything in detail, but before we start, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Coming over here directly to the program page, first of all, before participating into any program, we must know the benefit of the program. So GENAI Academy APAC Edition, it's open for APAC region. If you're from different countries also, which fall under Asia Pacific, you can apply for this opportunity. Age requirement is 18 plus and it is completely free of cost. Now here, who can apply for this opportunity? Whether you're a working professional, student, startup founder or innovator, you can apply for this opportunity at no cost. Third most important thing, before participating into any program, you must know the benefit of the program. So here you'll be getting free access to code labs, Google Skills platform at no cost over here. You'll be getting mentorship and networking directly with Googlers or industry experts. You'll be getting certificate, cash prizes and graduation recognition. You can see here you can win up to $10,000 cash prizes also and some cool swags also. You'll be getting a chance to showcase your project, whatever you're building in this hackathon. There'll be a separate hackathon also at the last of the session. And the best part is that you'll be getting a part of Google developer events and alumni network access, all that at no cost. So first of all, you can see cohort 1 already concluded, 2 also concluded. We have covered everything step by step. Now it's time for cohort 3. It's related to accelerate AI with Cloud Run over here. And it will focus on mostly accelerate AI with Cloud Run. Here, the aim is to train the developers to build a connected system of agentic AI. Okay. So here you can see, here some important steps are there, like how we'll cover this particular cohort 3. First of all, you can attend the workshop if you want to learn more things. Here we have to cover finish code labs and MCQ assessments and skills lab also. Do not worry about it. We'll cover complete solution guide for that also, as we have covered in the previous cohort. We have seen and many of you have completed also. And after that, once you have completed all the things, you'll be getting certificate and a chance to showcase your skills over here. Now, some more important thing is that here there are 3 tracks, out of which you have to complete only one as mandatory. Okay, if you want, you can complete all the 3 tracks without any issue. Now, how to register in this particular program? First of all, let me just show you a video. Okay, I've already recorded it. So you have to click on register now button. After that, you have to enter your first name, last name, all details you have to enter one by one, including a WhatsApp number, date of birth, etc. All things you have to mention. This is a demo data. After that, you have to just select the role, whether you're a student, other, just mention over here. And at last, check these 2 boxes and then simply register over here. Once you have successfully registered, you have to just, your dashboard will look like this. Now here you can see multiple sections are there. Roadmap section, whatever update will be there, here it will be shown. Currently, only skill submissions are now live. So for skill submission, you have to just come to the track and submission section. From here, you can see total 3 tracks they have mentioned one by one. You can just read and understand over here. If you need a separate guide, you can comment down below. As of now, these 3 tracks are not live. I'll cover a separate video making you understand each and every track so that it becomes a complete guide for it. Okay. Mostly here you have to build a cool agent over here, which will be featured using the Cloud Run, ADK and RAG. Okay. Similarly, for track 3, you have to build a personal productivity assistant using Cloud Run. So I think it will be most easier if you're participating for the first time. Do not worry, how to build and submit. We'll cover that also once the submission is live. As of now, only the skills lab is live. So you can see these are the skills lab. If I just open it, mostly it's just like an arcade lab. If you have participated in the arcade program, similarly, here we have to do some task and just check the score, and then we have to submit the proof of its completion. Okay, similarly, we have a skill badge also, that is develop GENAI apps with Gemini and Streamlit. So here also you can see we have to complete the skill badge only, and once it is completed, we have to attach the proof over here. Where we have to attach the proof? In the submission section. Okay, we have to attach the screenshot over here. How to attach? Do not worry, I'll share the link over here, how to just attach the screenshot. If you have built a project over here, you have to share the project link which you have built on the Google AI Studio also. Do not worry, we'll cover everything in detail. As of now, the event is just now started, only around 3 days. Okay, 3 days only passed after the starting of the event. We'll cover more thing over here. Do not worry about it. First of all, to access the optional lab, you need to just apply for credits over here. How to apply? Here you have to enter your email over here. Now coming over here, which email we have to enter? The email with which you are participating in the arcade program. Or you can do one thing, you can enter other email also, but I'll recommend just use the same email. Here you have to share your skills profile. So simply sign into Google Skills over here. Also, a lot of you are asking about credits for skill badges. So for that, what you can do, simply, first of all, sign in over here, go to your profile, settings. From here, make sure your public profile is public. Can I use the same account with which I participated in the arcade facilitator program? Yes, you can use it. There is no restriction because the skill badge you are already completing in the arcade facilitator program also. And you're completing one lab. If you are completing both the tracks, you can see there are two labs. So it won't impact your progress. You can use the same account over here. So just copy the public profile like this, right click, copy the email address, paste over here and enter the same email and click on submit. After 24 to 48 hours, you'll be getting an email with steps how to claim the credits. We'll cover that also. How to claim it, do not worry about it. So here it will ask for some confirmation. You have to just click on submit and it will be submitted over here. Done. Go back over here and it is successfully submitted. Now here we have to wait for the resources to get updated. Here also you can see they have the resource guide. Currently only skills profile submission and skills lab submission is live. Once the project and code labs are live, we'll cover that also. Stay tuned. If you want to participate in different opportunities, internship, you can always navigate to the channel videos. You'll find multiple opportunities. You can see here we have Indian Army internship. Here we have Unstop internship, Arcade program, AWS community builder, all things you can see. Just explore the channel. You'll find multiple opportunities, that too at no cost. And it's free of cost. Okay. As of now, Arcade program is also live, which is just like the GENAI Academy APAC edition. We'll be getting some cool swags just by completing different kinds of labs also. Let me just show you. So this is the Arcade program. Here you can see different kinds of badges are there. Once you complete these badges, you get some Arcade points, which you can use for redeeming the swags, the Google Cloud swags like this. Let me just show you sample swags also, because it will become easier for you to understand about it. So here you can see like this, you'll be getting some cool swags and that too at completely free of cost. So you can apply for this opportunity also. So this is the thing. Also, one more important thing I wanted to share. I have shared a GENAI Academy APAC sheet in the description box. So if you're participating for the first time, it will be your resource guide for this particular cohort. I'll cover everything over here. Do not worry about it. It's completely free of cost. And the sheet is in the description. How to build the project, how to do the submission, how to make the code lab submission, project tape, PPT, all things are there. Just take the benefit of all these opportunities at no cost. Thank you. Subscribe for more.